What's going on out there? This is your boy Lewis. Today I'm gonna go ahead and show you a really quick tutorial. I'm gonna go ahead and show you whether if you have legacy boot or if you have the newer version, which is the UEFI. Alright, to go ahead and do that, you come down here to the bottom left hand corner to the search box and you type in system information. Once you have all of this information right here, you come at about towards the middle of this panel right here. In my case, I'm using UEFI version. The other, whether if you have the older type of BIOS, which is legacy boot, it'll say right here legacy, and that usually comes in pretty handy whenever you want to go ahead and re-image your machine and you're trying to figure out whether you should go ahead and probably use a Rufus, and it'll ask you right there what type of boot you want to go ahead and do, if you want to do legacy or UEFI. So I just thought I'd go ahead and show you this real quick, and this is the way you look it up if you have UEFI or if you have legacy boot. Okay, so I hope it was helpful, and thanks a lot for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.